too.
And we are here starting our first series called Botox, in which we talk about beauty products and beauty treatments, just some uncensored chit chat so we can spread some information about them. So today we're talking about
Botox.
our favorite topic, Botox.
Yes.
So Bob, tell me a little bit about Botox and what do you like about it?
Botox is a very well-known neuromodulator. It's been on the market for years.
Yeah.
And so it's not some new one that's going around.
Agreed.
So that's what I love about it. I love that it's tried and tested, and
It's the gold standard.
It's the gold standard.
Yeah.
And the results last a good 3 to 4 months as long as your doctor is dosing you correctly and things like that.
Absolutely. And one of my favorite things to talk about Botox is the misconceptions. So, you have these first timers, they come and they have all these questions about Botox, about like, is it going to change my face? Well, it doesn't really change your face, because if you think about it, it's actually kind of neutralizing and paralyzing those muscles in your face, and by doing so, it's actually preserving your youth. So you actually look like you for longer versus changing the way you look.
Exactly. And so those lines or those wrinkles that naturally happen with age are reduced, and you're not getting those lines.
Right. Remember, we always tell our patients we want to get them when they're dynamic. We want to get them when the lines are coming with movement, not when they're static, not when they're super deep inside.
Yes.
Because once that happens, then it's
hard. It's hard. So the best age really is now. Like when you're starting to age and you're busy, you have a lot of day-to-day struggles and those kind of things. This is the best age to kind of go ahead and get started on yourself. Work on yourself.
So Roa, I know we were talking about like neurotoxins, and people hear that and it's a little scary for them.
Yeah.
What did you want to say about that?
So like I said, Botox is one of the neurotoxins that's been around for years.
Right.
One of the
tried and true,
FDA approved. So it's very safe.
Yeah, and we were just discussing this a little while back, and just because it's a neurotoxin doesn't mean it's bad for you. A lot of things that were derived from natural things like penicillin came from mold,
right?
And it's now curing all these diseases. So, Botox it helps with a lot of illnesses other than just wrinkles. We give it for migraines.
Yes.
We give it for people who are sweating a lot from hyperhidrosis.
Yes.
So there's a lot of things we are using Botox for other than just wrinkles. But of course, wrinkles is the aesthetic.
Yes, correct.
Silver lining.
Yes.
So yeah, so that's
a little bit about Botox.
Yep. Bye guys.